Good morning, everybody. Hey, this is the day after my big yard sale, Harley-Davidson yard sale, I'd say. Hey, I made enough money yesterday for another day at Sturgis, and I got rid of a lot of crap that's been hanging on my walls for years. I'm going to add some pictures on here of what I was selling yesterday at the Sturgis, Idaho yard sale for me to make money. I had quite a few dollars worth of takeoff stuff in my trailer there, and none of it showed up because it was too dark. So here's some pictures of that. These are the parts I started out with, and then they kept growing. Friends were bringing parts over. My wife brought out probably $500 worth of leathers. We sold $20 worth. So what we didn't sell, I threw in the trash. I'm not having this stuff hanging on my walls no more. Next Sunday I'll be in Sturgis, and I hope you're following along with my little 2-minute whatever videos. So subscribe so you'll get those. Well, today my wonderful wife's Sunday is making me some flapjacks,
Your
pancakes.
Wife's Sunday?
What?
Your wonderful wife Sunday is making you pancakes?
Your name's not Sunday.
Well, that's what you just called me.
Did I call her Sunday? I'm going to have to rewind this and look, but I don't think I called her Sunday. It is Sunday, and my wonderful wife, which I can't show you a picture. Here, I can show you real quick on a real...
Go away.
Oh boy, she just aimed a sharp cooking utensil at me. So I'm not going to show you her picture because this is early in the morning. And anyway, she's fixing me breakfast. Let's see what she's fixing. Right there. Okay, she's fixing me some kind of homemade flapjacks. Pancakes. Are they the same thing?
Yes,
dear. With bacon. And you cook the bacon first. Why? So you use that grease to cook the pancakes?
Because I have 2 batches of bacon to cook. I should be mixing up pancakes right now, but someone has a camera in my way.
Oh, don't tempt me. I'll flash you on here. I'll flash on here. Well, anyway, she's cooking that, and you're going to use
This is my snack for while I'm cooking pancakes.
Okay, a pound of bacon will be our snack while we're getting ready for the pancakes, I guess. And this is, we got these down there. Where we get these? Got these in Yuma or something, didn't we? Or where?
Oh, I got them at a home and garden show here in Twin Falls, Idaho.
And that's where it is. Cowboy Tom's flapjacks. Not to be confused with pancakes, I guess. Anyway, it comes with some seeds and some flour, and you got to use milk, vegetable oil. Turn the light on there, and then you got to put it in a blender with some eggs. What did the recipe read? Here.
The ingredients are natural whole wheat kernels. That's what those are.
There.
Not seeds.
Oh.
A small packet of sugar, baking powder, and salt.
That's that one there.
And then you add 1.5 cups milk, 1 egg, and half a cup of vegetable oil.
There we go. So she's going to mix that up right now.
Yes, I am.
All right.
Wheat packet.
That's the wheat packet.
1 cup of milk.
She's even measuring. That's rare. That's a 2-cup measure, we might add, so that's 1 cup right there. Yes, it is. Pour it right in there like that. Yummy, yummy.
And what else is?
You forgot already.
I'm old. My memory is not what it used to be. Blend on high for 3 to 4 minutes.
Don't you put the oil and other stuff in first?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, for how many?
3 to 4.
Oh, we're going to come back for that.
You might want.
Wow, that's a lot of blending time, isn't it there, dear? Now what do you got to do?
Add another half cup of milk. It's really gotten thick.
Looks like a milkshake. Woo! Yeah. It's real hard to film when you got somebody that isn't as good as I am.
Half a cup of milk. Now we're going to blend.
For another 2 minutes?
2 more minutes.
Jesus Christ. It ain't instant pancakes, that's for sure. All right, here we go again. Well, there was another 2 minutes, and now what do we got to do?
Add half a cup of vegetable oil.
This said to use a blender, not a food processor, didn't it?
Yeah. And 1 egg.
1 egg. Do you take it out of the shell?
Probably.
All right. You know how to do that?
I'm gonna crack it in here.
So you're going to crack it. Now this is how you open an egg.
Just in case, because...
That isn't the way I would do it, but... yeah, you always open your eggs up before you put them in your food. Why?
Something like this, because if there's blood in it or something weird, you do not want that in your mix.
Yeah, it would ruin your
the whole thing.
The whole thing. So you guys, there's a point for you right there. That's from the Greener Than Gourd here.
Okay, add that and blend.
Another.
It just says blend, so
okay.
probably just blend it.
Okay, we got that. That's a noise in front of a gun. All right, you got her. That'll do it. Jeez, Christ.
Now we add the dry ingredient packet. Blend until thoroughly mixed.
How will you know?
Let the batter set 3 to 4 minutes before cooking.
Oh boy, gosh. I got time to go out and do some work.
Yep. So let's put in the dry ingredients.
All right, dry ingredients. Here they go.
Sugar, baking powder, and salt.
All in that one package.
All in that one package.
Oh my God, it's almost like instant. Here we go. How many minutes?
Just blend until it's mixed.
Oh. And now then, what do we do?
Let it set 3 to 4 minutes.
Did you hear that? We gotta let it set, Hank. Can you sit? Hank, sit? Yep, okay, we gotta let you sit for 3 to 4 minutes. Good boy. What do we got there? You're putting vegetable oil on that thing right there?
Yeah, just a little bit.
That's just a little pan.
Keep it from sticking.
I don't know if you can see it because it's kind of dark there. We're still cooking bacon and somebody's been eating it while I was out doing things. There it goes again. Oh, she gave me a piece. I feel so lucky. Anyway, that stuff's set long enough and it's thick enough. We're going to make a pancake, right?
We're going to attempt to make a pancake.
Flapjack is what we're making. Tom something or other. Cowboy Tom. Show me how thick that is. Is it thick? All right. Oh, that's good bacon. Where'd you get that? Behind the Albertsons in the dump? Was that where you picked that up? I don't remember.
It's not Falls brand. Falls brand is the best.
Okay, we're going to make a pancake now? And use a little, you need a scooper. Get you a measuring cup, a little measuring cup. I've got to teach her how to do everything. My bacon's a little on the chewy side, I'll tell you that. But we better try it again. Don't you wish you were here? Not bad. Are you going to make a flapjack or what? How long does it take to pick up something?
Hold on to your horses.
Just reach in there and grab something.
I want the proper utensil for the job. Isn't that what you always say? The proper tool for the job?
Well, yeah, I do.
Yeah, you do.
Okay. She's got me up. She's got me there.
I got you there. Now.
You always want to use the right tool for the job. Come on, tool, get this job done. Here we go. We're gonna make flapjack number 1. Woo! How many are you going to put in there? 2?
I think I'm gonna put 2.
2. And we smear it around. Now, how do we know when it's done?
Do 2.5.
Oh, you're never gonna be able to turn it over.
Very well.
Oh no, I think she ruined it. And how do you know when it's ready to turn over? For those novice. Oh, and here's we got real maple syrup for these too. Not that fake Aunt Jemima or Uncle Ben's or whatever it is. We got real stuff. And what did you say now? When did you tell? How do you tell when it's ready to flip it over?
When it's all bubbly on the top.
All right. For you that don't know, even in a mixed one, you still do the same thing for cooking it, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
It ain't bubbly on top yet.
Nope. Not done.
Not done.
Told you that bacon would be our snack.
Yeah, it is. It's gone already almost. Uh-oh. You didn't get any. Oh my, we gotta fix that. You see how it's starting to bubble around the edges? That'll kind of be a, I got bacon in my throat.
Here we go.
Oh, here we go, here we go. It won't take him long to eat that. And I got my wife's beautiful shoes in the picture. And see how it's starting to do its thing there?
We're classy here. What can I say? All class.
All class. Might be low, but it's class. What are we looking like under there? What are we looking like? Give me a show.
Ready?
Oh, yeah. Hey, well, that's how you make a flapjack. All right. Next thing is we make a bunch of them and more bacon because our other bacon disappeared. And then I'll show you the finished project. Well, guys, what do you think? Yeah, what do you think, Hank? Oh, there he's in focus. Yeah, you'd love to have that, but that's going to Daddy. Well, this is my last Sunday breakfast until I head to Sturgis. And my wife wanted to make a special one for me because she's just that kind of girl, and then she's taking pictures of it, but I can't take pictures of her. That don't seem fair. Yeah, anyway, hey, you have a great time. Follow me. Subscribe. Make sure you're watching me go to Sturgis because I'm going to be doing some good filming out there. Bye.